Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to find all the posts you ever liked on Facebook. Now I just start by opening Facebook application. Next I need to get in menu, then settings and privacy. Here I need settings and there I should scroll down quite long to find activity log. You can find this at your information section. Just tap on it and here I see this feature, page likes. That's kind of filter option. I just tap on it and here I see all the posts I ever liked on Facebook. I can scroll down to see all the posts, and if I need to unlike some post, I will tap on these three dots and just tap here on like in the pop-up window. I tap on like and now I see that my like was disappeared. So now you know how to find posts you liked on Facebook, and also you know how to unlike this post. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.